Trendy Blinds, your Hunter Douglas power experts. Hunter Douglas PowerRise with wall switch is battery operated and uses radio frequency signal, so no line of sight is needed. Simply hang wall switch on any wall in the room and start enjoying the convenience of PowerRise with wall switch. The wall switch allows you to set up to 4 different programs to control individual and/or groups of blinds. Visit Trendy Blinds today to explore which Hunter Douglas power options make sense for your home. Trendy Blind, your Hunter Douglas power experts.